Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a blazer with a higher button stance so the silhouette reads cleanly. Stand tall and align the shoulder seams over your shoulders. This ensures the chest and waist fall where you want them. Once aligned, reach across and fasten the upper functional button first. This sets the anchor point for the high-laced effect. Make sure the fabric sits smooth and that sleeves are even. Small adjustments now prevent twists later and keep the lapel line crisp. Now you sculpt the high-lace shape by lifting the side seams slightly upward toward your chest. This shortens the visible torso and creates that high waist illusion. Once done, smooth the front panels and tuck any excess inner lining so there's no bulk under the lapel. Make sure the lapels sit flat and the shoulder pads remain aligned. If the fabric resists, use a light temporary stitch or fashion tape to hold the new position while you test movement. Finish by checking how the blazer behaves in motion. Raise your arms, sit, and walk to ensure the high lace set stays comfortable. If you notice pulling at the chest or tightness across shoulders, make small releases where you lifted the sides or reseat the shoulder seams for balance. Once satisfied, reinforce the hold with a discreet interior button or snap if gaping persists. This preserves the clean high line without altering the exterior look and keeps you comfortable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.